Here are 2 ways to check if your older Dell computer can run Windows 11 operating system. One way is to use the Dell website Windows Compatibility list. Click the Start menu and search and select System Information. Within the System Summary, in the Item column, look for System Model, and in the Value column will be the exact name of the system and version you have. Now go to dell.com/support and search for Dell Computers Tested for Update to Windows 11. Scroll down to locate the article resource of the same name and open it. Navigate to the Content section, Dell Computers Tested for Upgrade to Windows 11, and expand it. Select your computer model and check to see if your system version is on the list. If it is, then your computer is compatible with Windows 11. Another way is to use the Windows PC Health Check app. To get the app, open any web browser and in the search field type aka.ms/get-PC-health-check-app and hit enter. The Health Check app should start downloading immediately. After it's done, go into the Downloads folder and click on the file to install it. Accept the terms and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. When it's done, tick the box for Open Windows PC Health Check and then click Finish. Once the app opens, click on Check Now. Select the option See All Results and check the details about compatibility. If your PC is not eligible for Windows 11 Update, you should also see the reasons why. When done using the app, just close all the windows to exit. Anytime you need any help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance. We also have the Dell Community Forum where you can join in a chat or start a new one. Subscribe today to our YouTube Tech Support channel and get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified when we post future content. Thanks for watching.